Hello everyone, I am Srushti Maid. I am studying in the Sandpani Academy. Value education plays an important role in our lives and something that I had to experience since a lot of days. We embarked on the journey of our excursion trip, or you can say something that taught us really beautiful things on the way. First day of the excursion, we went to a Bhakti Vedant hospital. Something I quite liked about the hospital was that it was different. It was an exception of a hospital. I've seen so many hospitals, but it had that touch of likelihood. Something, what you say, it's yours. It was the first hospital I saw in my life where not only the patients were treated, but they were cured right from the root cause. Most of the patients in hospitals are just cured with with the medicines and all. But what many hospitals don't look at is that the condition, what actually the patient feels. So that hospital actually connected God to the medicine also. Something that I quite liked about it, there was a Jagannath Rath in that hospital, which used to visit every patient. So it was so beautiful that the patients which had feelings for the God, we always think about God when we are in pain. So they got a chance to connect to the God itself. And when the Jagannath Murti comes in front of them, it is like they can connect to them and they can share their feelings, and somewhat it makes the condition of the patients even better. So there are many things that actually were different, and an exception it was actually. And the same day we arrived at Govardhan Eco Village. It was a Govardhan Eco Village. Firstly, that I noticed, it was so far away from the city, from the rush and hush of the cities. There was a very calm and peaceful atmosphere. Firstly, we learned many things. There had been so many questions. JEE preparation is quite hard, and somewhere you get questions about what actually means and what is actually not, which does not actually is important. But here when I came, when I came, I got the answers of almost all of my questions. The guides over here, the people I met, they were so kind and loving, and I got the answers of what actually living a life means. Having a very calm, peaceful, as well as a simple life means a lot. That I got to know. And Govardhan Eco Village has been life-changing for me, and there are many memories as well as values that I'll take home with it, and actually it's going to help me lifetime, because these things are not taught. Some things just cannot be taught. These things are just experienced. And Govardhan Eco Village, Bhakti Vedant Hospital, be it anything, be it this whole excursion, it had been life-changing for me, and I'm very sure that it will help me for a lifetime. Thank you.